What is up, guys? Welcome back to episode 7 of my trading journey towards prop firm payouts. The last episode we hit an absolutely banger of a trade, and we also broke through our losing streak. We had a 3 losing streak going on by not taking trades according to my plans and just not following my own rules taking those trades. So it was a bit rough then, but we broke through with a good 4 risk to reward trades. That was absolutely beautiful, and today we have another banger trade. This is the momentum you want to see. We're going to the right side now, and let's keep this momentum going to keep getting those winning trades. And we're just $600 shy of our funded right now, so let's get to the Excel sheet and check that out. Looking at the Excel sheet, this was our last trade we took, which is 4R, which put us at a nice balance of 51.25k. Well, the day after, we took another trade with a risk exposure of $250, which is around 0.5 risk of our portfolio. And we've got a banger here. 5 risk to reward is realized here. That puts our balance of just $600 shy of a funded account. And we followed all the rules again. We took the trade and it was amazing. What I must say about this trade is I took this trade alone. I was a bit more emotional than normal because I always take it with my trading partner. We go over the trade and get to objective conclusion if we want to take the trade. Was not the case. I was alone and I had to decide for myself if this was all following my rules. My answer was yes, this is looking good. I need to take this trade. So I did. I followed my plan and it was an absolutely banger. Let's go over to the technicals on why I took this trade. Starting with a bit on the high time frame. We've made this low and a new higher high according to this high. So expectations are that this higher low will bring us up to new highs. But if you cannot start breaking your structure internally, you will never get that rotation towards the high. So if we take a look at the 5 minute, this was our pullback before our new lower low. And if we cannot break that, then we are still bearish and price is going to go lower and try again from there. So with that keeping in mind, we SFP'd this 5 minutes. We also had an SMT there, but we hunted really good liquidity, and that's when we started looking for some shorts. The local confirmation was the part where we actually took the short. So let's take a look at that. Going over the 1 minute, this is where lunch started. This is where lunch created its high, and that's also when we started moving down. Keep in mind, lunch often goes for reversals. So when you have a push like this and lunch starts, there's a chance you can get a reversal towards the other side. Lunch loves to do that. So keep that in mind. We also kept it in mind during the trade. So we had our first move down from lunch, and then we had our second move down. There's a rule I'll follow. It's a 2-drive rule. When the first one is caused by market makers and the second one is caused more by retail traders. So what is this right here? Is retail stop losses. We took that out. We made an PM started right here. We PM on ES took out lunch, so we had a really good SMT going there. And then we waited for the confirmation. We need a break of structure towards the downside. This was a structure pointing up. That's when we hunted that structure right here. Yes, we did not break it yet, but on the Nasdaq, a hunt is enough for me to start building liquidity on the top to then target liquidity on the bottom. So this was an absolutely fine-tuned entry because this was our 1 minute fair value gap right here. It was created, it tapped into it, and it ran like a maniac. It was a hit and run. It was also a tight stop loss because this was a structure that caused us to break this low. So it was all looking very good, and this just went absolutely smashing targets within a matter of half an hour. Within 30 minutes, I was out. Not even 30 minutes. What am I saying? This was, how long was this? This was 15 minutes and the trade was done, and I realized 5 risk to reward on this trade. This was absolutely crazy. When you took out one side of the liquidity. So on ES you had the SMT. It's most likely you're going towards the other side. And right here are all just stop losses. So we let it run there. And that's when I decided just take everything off the table and be done with the trade. We are leaving open our highs. So what can we expect? That we are going to break our lows. This is another example of perfectly following my rules. This was absolutely great. It is putting us up just $600 shy of our funded account. So guys, let's keep going with this momentum and I'll see you in the next video. Cage is out.